My name is Rich Hickey, and I'm here to talk about Clojure.
A programming language is an encoding of a philosophy of how to think about code. And Clojure definitely has a philosophy that is different than other languages.
Languages often got in the way of what you were trying to express when you were trying to solve a problem.
And why was I unhappy as a programmer after 18 years? I would take 2 years and work on whatever I thought made sense to me.
Okay, honey, let's see what happens.
Can we make programs out of simpler stuff?
This is a crazy language made by a Lisp fanatic for other Lisp hobbyists. I really didn't take it seriously.
Clojure in many ways is a personal project, Rich's personal project.
A lot of people had to accept that their role might not be what they had hoped it would be.
The thing that you couldn't have known at the beginning is how important stability would turn out to be.
We're in the space age for ourselves, but we need to be in the space age for the businesses we're supporting.
I reached out to them and said, I think you have a me-shaped hole in your organization and you should hire me to fill it.
Clojure was my accelerated education.
The way that the language was constructed, its value propositions, it all together just fit my brain like a glove.
I just stopped thinking about the other languages and committed myself to Clojure.